Good morning, class. We are coming back after a long time, and as you all know, that now we are going to start with our new term and UT. So you all will be writing the syllabus for the UT and term when we will be doing the notebook work. जब हम सब लोग notebook में work करेंगे, तब मैम आपको syllabus लिखवाएंगी, okay? And today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter 5, Introduction to Scratch Programming. So what is it? Today we'll be studying about this. Okay, first of all, anybody who would like to tell me ki Arya, okay, Arya, unmute yourself and tell me when you have to go to computer lab, from where in the school, from where you will go to, मतलब which way you will follow. आप कंप्यूटर लैब कैसे जाओगे? अपनी क्लास से आप कंप्यूटर लैब कैसे जाओगे?
कैसे जाओगे? In the same direction. I'm in the same direction.
Yes, if I ask you how you would go, first you will follow the stairs, and then you will go to the basement, and then you will go to the computer lab. This is the way you will follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So everybody knows that there is a different way we should follow. Like in your house, you know, if you have to go to some other room, you have a particular way. Similarly, we'll be taking an example. For example, someone is new in your class, as you have many new students in your class, and that student wants to go to the computer lab. अब किसी new student को computer lab जाना है, उसको computer lab नहीं पता कि computer lab कहाँ है. So what will happen? He will ask the way कि ma'am please tell me where is the computer lab. So ma'am will direct that go to your right, there would be a stairs, take that stairs, go to the basement, and after that you will found the computer lab. So this is the way. Similarly, in this, Kabir teacher asked him to bring a notebook from his office from the computer lab. So as he was new in the school, she guided him how to reach to the computer lab. She gives the following instruction to the Kabir. And now tell me, for example, आपको कंप्यूटर लैब जाना है, लेकिन आप पहले स्टेयर्स नहीं लेकर के आप पहले कंप्यूटर लैब में चले जाओगे? अगर आप कोई भी स्टेप ऊपर नीचे फॉलो करोगे तो क्या आप कंप्यूटर लैब पहुंचोगे? अगर आप राइट ना लेके लेफ्ट टर्न ले लोगे तो आपको स्टेयर्स ही नहीं मिलेंगी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
सो दिस इज व्हाट अ प्रोग्रामिंग गोज. प्रोग्रामिंग एक वो चीज होती है जिसमें स्टेप ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं, लेकिन हर स्टेप को आपको एकदम प्रॉपरली फॉलो करना है. मींस अगर फर्स्ट नंबर पे कोई स्टेप लिखा है तो वो फर्स्ट पे ही फॉलो होगा. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि आप सेकंड वाला पहले फॉलो कर लो. तो उसके लिए हम जाते हैं कि द स्टेप वाइज इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर नोन एज प्रोग्राम. व्हाट इज प्रोग्राम? द step wise instructions are known as program. Okay, so this example was just to tell you that everything in the program is to be followed step wise, and when we give the instructions to the computer. For example, take a simple example. आप लोगों को कंप्यूटर पे पेंट ओपन करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't unmute yourself again and again. Okay, you have to open paint, for
Good morning,
example,
ma'am.
and then what will happen? You will click on the start button, but if you will not click on the start button, you will not get MS Paint option. So अगर आप instructions दोगे तो step wise step ही दोगे, वरना आपको instructions नहीं मिलेंगे. Okay, so let's move to the next page. I hope it is clear with you that what is a program. A program is a step wise instructions given to a computer. Now let's study about a Scratch. What is a Scratch? Scratch is a program used to create games, animate stories, and project with great ease. It is a simple program where the students can drag blocks of instructions to create animation. Means it is a programming language but in it you can create different kind of animations. आप different cartoons बना सकते हो, आप stories बना सकते हो, और ये बेसिक्स इसलिए होता है ताकि जब हम बड़े होके प्रोग्रामिंग करें तो हमें छोटी छोटी चीजें पता हों. Okay, so for this is the animation programming for you all, and it is very easy. Now let's learn what is the procedure to open a Scratch. First of all, you have to click on all programs, then there is a Scratch option, and then Scratch window will open. But for that, there should be a program in your computer. So ask your parents to download a Scratch program for you. Okay, so let's study about something. First of all, when we see the screen of the Scratch, there is a title bar. As I always tell you that what is the title bar? Why it is known as title bar? Please raise your hand who's going to tell me why it is called title bar. I'm not able to see your hands in the video. Khushi, would you like to tell, raise your hand, that why it is called title bar? Okay, Anant and Shashwat are raising the hand. First, I'll give the chance to Anant. Anant, I have unmuted you. Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, we call title bar because it is the top of the screen.
And on it, the heading of the topic, heading of the thing is written. Okay, like MS Word is written, whatever the you are giving the name to your program, it is written. Okay,
Hey, ma'am.
very good, Anand. Now let's move to next. Now below that there are cursor tools. Cursor tools means जो आप बहुत ज्यादा commonly use करते हो, जैसे कि cut, copy, paste, ये हम सबसे ज्यादा use करते हैं, तो इसलिए वो किस में आते हैं, वो कर्सर टूल्स में आते हैं. फिर एक ऑप्शन दिख रहा है जिसमें लिखा है फाइल, एडिट, टिप्स, अबाउट, दीज आर कॉल्ड मेनू बार. ओके, इसमें जब क्योंकि सारी चीजें क्लियर हैं. नाउ यू आर एबल टू सी मैम्स माउस. यहाँ पर एक ऑप्शन बना है, ये आपके मोबाइल फोन्स में भी होता है. इसका मतलब होता है व्यू फुल स्क्रीन. अभी छोटी स्क्रीन दिख रही है हमें, और अगर हमें पूरी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर ये पिक्चर देखनी है तो हम इसे व्यू फुल स्क्रीन करेंगे. ओके, सिमिलरली वी हैव ब्लॉक मेनूज, टैब जो हम चीजें यूज करते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट एरिया जहाँ पे हम प्रोग्राम्स लिखेंगे, और ब्लॉक पैलेट जहाँ पे हमें हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग दिखाई देगी. In your next class, ma'am will show you how to work on the Scratch, as ma'am will do the programming with you all. Very good, Swarna. I have read your answer. Now let's come to the next. Let's read about the topic. Spirit. Spirit is a small graphic character that performs action in a Scratch project. It provides a number of inbuilt spirits. Cat is a default spirit in Scratch. Means there are some images, उसमें already कुछ cartoons होते हैं जिनको आप edit कर सकते हो. Cat उनमें से एक option है जो वहाँ पे available होता है. Okay, let's come to the stage. It is the main working area where your animation is shown actually. Means जो आपकी मेन स्क्रीन है, जैसे अभी आपको आपकी मेन स्क्रीन पर मैम का बुक पेज दिख रहा है, तो ये क्या है, ये मैम की मेन स्क्रीन है, और आपके फोन की भी मेन स्क्रीन है. तो मेन स्क्रीन वो होती है जो आपको मेनली हमेशा दिखती रहती है. ओके, जब आप कोई गेम खेलते हो तो उस गेम का पेज उसकी मेन स्क्रीन होती है. नेक्स्ट कम टू ब्लॉक पैलेट्स. Block palettes contain a set of blocks which is used to program the spirit and give actions to it. Means आपको show करना है कि cat भाग रही है, cat is running. So what you will do? You will use block palettes for this. You can show that cat was running through your animation. You know, one more interesting thing, that the cartoons which you watch are done with this only. The cartoon are actually animated through this app only, And you can even do that also. You all love to watch cartoons. Raise your hands. How many of you love to watch cartoons? Ishita has raised the hand first. Very good, Ishita. I have seen your hand. I have seen Iya's hand too. Okay, good. So let's come to next. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions. I have already told you, जहाँ पर हम instructions लिखते हैं उसको हम script बोलते हैं. Swarna, we can show that the cat is running by using the block palette. उसमें हम आगे आगे पिक्चर्स रन करते हुए उसमें लगाएंगे ताकि जब हम उसे रन करेंगे तो वो ऐसा लगेगा कि cat is running and the page would be actually turning. Ishita, I have seen your hand. You can put your hand down. You are having a query. Okay, I'll give you a time. Now let's come to the script area. What is a script area? Script area is a place where you create a script, means where you are writing it. And where we can see also that what all things we have written to make this simple program so that we can use it in future. That is called script area. Now I would be taking all your queries.